Right, another very special meetup and team up. So meeting up with Lauren, who watches the YouTube channel. So thank you very much, brother, for messaging. And so nice to meet you. So magkampi kami ngayon ni Lauren. So coincidentally, may nakita kaming friend si Renz and si Nikki. N-I-K-K-I. Okay, Nikki. Oh, breakfast tayo, brother. Okay. So ngayon magto-2v2 kami. High-low. Magkampi kami ni Lauren. Pero since may handicapping, we're giving sila Renz at saka sila Nikki 5 strokes sa front, 5 strokes sa back. So high-low. Okay lang sa'yo, brother. Yes. 20 pesos daw per up. Okay. For left.
Nagtago tuloy, nagdidilig.
Wala lang tayo. I-move lang natin
Okay lang.
Move lang natin yung plus sa sa mga part.
Wow.
Nice shot, brother. Okay lang, kanan.
Balik.
For right. Thank you very much. Good luck sa atin, brother. Ay, nakasuot na kami parehas ng nice shot hat. Ayan. So si Lauren and the wife daw watches the video. So yan, first time, brother, kasama ka na.
Kakapalag ka ng mimosa niya.
Ano ba yung kagabi yung nakapost?
Mimosa.
Yan, dami mimosa. Alam mo ba ano pa yun? October pa yun.
Last year pa?
Last year pa yun. Pero ipopost ito yung pag mga meet up, I post it earlier. So sa natin. So high-low kami ni Lauren. Tapos, any shoutouts, brother?
My wife.
Kay wife,
Yes, siyempre
nag-message.
siya
Arrange.
Yes.
Alright, thank you very much, Raquel. Shout out to you.
Yes.
Ayan, good luck. Tingnan natin kung mananalo kami. So, ang gagawin namin, for every up, it's 20 pesos. Tapos for Putting Olympics, 20 pesos per point din. Alright, so good luck, brother.
Alright, sige.
Let's do well. Let's bring home some money.
Yes.
Okay, so si Renz went over. Si Lauren is on the right. Ako left and pulled. So I'm left with 27 yards to go up and down for potentially par. Bite. Okay, that is Lauren's par putt.
Gulong.
Okay, so yan rin sa Putting Olympics natin. Yan, 4 points kasi pinakamalayo. Sino mas malayo sa amin, Maria? Kayo. So 3 points ka, 2 ako, 1 si Nikki. Kung ma-shoot mo yung first putt. Yan, par. Tumalon. Okay, so for Putting Olympics, si Renz is putting for par. For 3 points plus 1. Mahina. Okay, so ako putting for 2 points and for bogey. Medyo mabagal. Nikki, putting ka na? Bogey? Bogey and 1 point. Yun! 2 points. Kala ko hindi wala laglag. Okay, buti na lang. Okay, Nikki for bogey and for 1 point. Mahina. That's good. Oh, good. Oh, good. Bogey ka. Bogey si Lord. Bogey ka rin. Okay, so kuha namin.
Yes, sir.
Ay, hindi. Oh, kasi bogey. So nag-tie kayo sa low. Nag-tie kayo sa high. Na bogey. Tapos yung isa, natalo sa... Well, either or. Pareho 3 bogey, 1 double eh. Unless may handicap hole to. Wala naman yata. May handicap sila sa akin dito sa hole 11, hole 14, hole 17, 18. Tama ba? Tapos at front, hole 1, 4, 6, at saka 3. Okay. Okay, so hole number 11, 295 yards. 1 up tayo, brother. Buti na lang na-shoot yung putt ko. Tapos sa Olympics, 2 points kami. Wala pa kayo.
Every part 3.
Wow!
Da.
Good shot, Nikki. Beautiful.
Every part 3, pag
Con.
nag-greener ka,
Kasi mas madaling mag-edit ngayon. Dati kasi pag walang pusta. Ah! Sikle. Ito, pasig yan. Makatubig.
Safe daw po.
Lauren, second shot. Kailangan lang niya mag-punch out. So si Renz and si Nikki sa left side. Team left versus team right. Good out. Good out, brother. Okay, si Renz at saka si Nikki nandito sa left. So ako naman for my second shot, nag-fade off. Left with 140 yards, 145. Hitting a pitching wedge, playing it short.
Kick right. Ganda ng linya ng ano sa amin.
Landed sa bunker. Sayang. Okay, Renz for his second shot. Tsaka si Lauren. Third shot na pala si Lauren. So they have a pop here. Handicap hole. Meron silang plus. Short si Renz. Okay, Lauren. Around 100 yards. Up and down for his par. Go! Okay lang. Huwag ka lang mag-bunker. Carry. Ow! Wow, nice out ni Lauren. That is his third shot. Ayan, so putting na si Lauren. So si Renz naman, Olympian. That is his... Pang-ilang na tira na ni... Pang-ilan mo na yan, Renz?
4 na.
So putting bogey ka na?
Putting
Okay.
bogey na.
Ako to go up and down for par. Si Nikki? 2 on. So putting birdie.
Grabe naman yung tuon naman.
Kaliwa ka na.
Tama na.
Kala ko sasabit sa lip. Okay. Okay, Nikki. For birdie, 2 on si Nikki. This is to win low na kagad. Ano siya, may plus. So birdie net eagle yan. Ay, sayang. Good par. Par net birdie. So, kuha nyo ang low. Oh, hindi, sige, pakimark. Hindi. Si, pating bogey ka, di ba? Pating bogey din. Okay. So, si Lauren is putting for bogey for 3 points. Hina lang. Okay, I have this spot for par. Potentially 2 points plus 1 sa Olympics. Okay, so Renz for 1 point and to win high and low. Okay, that's good, that's good. Okay, ganda ng tira ni Nikki. So match is back to all square. They won both. Ayan, they won low. Si Nikki made par net birdie. Ako I made bogey. Tapos double pareha si Renz at saka si Lauren. Hole number 12. Number 12 is playing 160 yards.
Wow.
Nag-slice lang.
Fade lang. No!
Okay lang yan. Huwag ka lang mag-bunker.
Wala.
Ay!
Wow!
Olympian!
top of the field.
What? Okay, landed sa bunker agad. Parang Sunday din eh. Nung Sunday, puro bunker din ako eh. Nikki, second shot. Little right. Naku, malakas. Bite. Bite! Bite! Okay lang. Okay, just off. So, Olympian. Lauren. To go up and down for par. Pati si Renz. Pare sila. Ayan si... Ay, nag-bite yung kay Renz. Okay, that is for his par. Ganda. Bite. Bite. Settle. Good try, brother. Mabilis. Okay ako, bunker na naman. Sa'yo na tayo dyan. Okay. Chance for Sandy par. So si Nikki, potentially for par and 5 points. Kasi from the outside. Ganda! 5 points! Nice putt. Ay, nice shot. Okay, so we gave that putt na to Nikki for 1 point. So, si Renz, Renz is for 4 points and for par. Same, for par din si Lauren. Tapos ako 2 points and for potentially 1. For Olympics, Sandy par. Okay, good then. Bogey. So pares kami for the win. Isa makashoot sa amin, panalo. Firm lang. Bale. Do it. Do it. Okay. Okay na yan? Okay, we have this spot to win the hole. Bumali sa dulo.
Sabi ko nung
False play.
makapal nga yung grass sa
3 points.
makapal yung
Ayan, so with that hole, we tied lang. Everyone made bogey. Pero for Olympics, they earned 1 point. So 2 points tayo, brother. 1 sila. Okay, headed to hole number 13, which is a par 5. Okay, hole 13, 489 yards.
nice drive.
Lakas pumalo nito ni Nikki.
Next oh.
Good shot, brother. Lakas. Pwede na natin paunahin dito.
War!
Pagkatapos natin pumalo, pwede natin sila paunahin. Pumalo. Tama. Kailang, brother.
Baba.
Okay, Lauren, second shot. Course management lang. Ganda! Ganda yan, bro. Huwag ka lang mas timey. Beauty. Good shot, brother. Kanan si Nikki. Okay, ako naman punching out lang with my pitching wedge.
Tuma naman ang sipad.
Ay, bunker na. Hindi naman siguro, no? Hindi naman naabot. Okay. Right side of the fairway. Okay, Renz. Not sure if he's going for it. Malamang hindi. Playing safe lang. Okay, right before the water. Okay, Nikki. This is his third shot. To go up and down for potentially birdie. May ugat.
Ay! Laptop.
Okay, left with 100. Left with 96 yards for my third shot to go up and down for potentially birdie. Kaliwa konti, no?
Opo. Go. Go. Naku, matrabaho pa din.
Okay, for putting for birdie. Okay, Nikki to go up and down for par. Sobra. Ayan, Olympian. Olympian, going for Olympic points. Okay, Lauren, third shot to go up and down potentially for birdie. He is around 100 yards. Okay, Nikki to go up and down for double. Potentially for 5 points. Thank you.
Shot.
Galing!
Okay.
Nice shot! Okay, Lauren, to go up and down for... Ano na ba to? For par. Up and down for par. Bite. Bite! Sit! Sit! Ayan, 4 si Lauren. 4 si Lauren, 3 ako. 2 ka, 1 si, si Nikki. So, 3 ako plus 1 if ever for birdie.
Birdie.
Galing talaga. Okay, galing talaga.
Okay, so that was a birdie. So we won low. So Lauren is putting for par. Si Renz is pa. Gulong pa! Sige pa! Good try, brother. Pat! Okay, Renz. For par ka, Renz, no? Okay, so Nikki for 1 point and for double. Nice putt. Okay, hole number 14. We're currently 1 up. Okay, 1 up tayo, brother. 1 up. Tapos sa Olympic, 6-2. 510. Dito may plus kayo dito.
Oh no! Nice.
Bogey ka, Renz, no?
Yes, sir. Pares tayo, boy.
Walang.
Okay. Sige. Hindi na pala.
Okay, Renz, second shot. Ganda. Ay!
For left!
Ano pwede may urong.
po mag-drop backward.
Tsaka naka-preferred naman tayo eh. Pero 1 scorecard.
Pero yung mga karako sir, automatic yan.
Tapos ang preferred live, basta na
Hindi pa rin talaga kami magkasundo ng driver ko. Wala pang solid contact. Ako 7 iron, course management lang.
Ay!
left.
Lauren. Nikki. And Renz. Okay. Nikki, this is his third shot, I assume. He's short. Sounded heavy. Okay. Need to take my medicine. Punching out lang dito. Wala eh. Ito yung green. Dito na lang. 20. Okay, to go up and down for par, 66 yards, tirang mga 50, a little right.
Take.
Naka-eagle si Doy nung isang araw, anong linggo?
Talaga?
Na-eagle niya yung 4, hole out. Okay, that's for par. Okay. Renz. Why? Muntik pa! Masama balak. Go! 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 Ay, bunker. Okay. Okay. Lauren to go up and down for 1, 2, 3, 4. Up and down for bogey, I assume. Good out! Okay, 4 points yan. Okay, so for Olympics, Lauren is putting for bogey and 4 points. Kaming tatlo putting for par. Si Nikki 3, 2 ako, 1 si Renz. Come on baby, 4 points. Tama na, lakas.
Tayo lang, next spot.
Pasok.
Napos ko ba?
Ay, Renz for the win. Ay, hindi, bogey rin pala. Ay, hindi, tama for the win na.
Yes,
1 point. Good putt. Okay na yan. Panalo. Okay, so we're back to all square. Tapos sa putting Olympics, 6-3. Sa hole number 15, 442. Wala naman silang plus dito, no?
Oh, ganda!
Maganda pa yung 3-wood namin sa driver namin eh.
Bang! Nice one, partner.
Ikot no.
Grabe, perfect yun.
Dapat pala ako nauuna eh, para hindi napipressure yung partner ko eh. Nice one, brother.
Ganda, ganda.
No gloves ka talaga? No gloves ka talaga?
Kitang-kita
Fred,
yung ikot eh.
Fred couples ah.
Tapos na.
Okay lang. Ah, shit.
Laki ng slice.
Okay lang.
Huwag kang sumabit. Di sumabit. Finally, fairway ang tee shot. 200 yards. Bahala na. Hitting 5 iron.
Grabe talaga.
Bakas ng hangin.
Okay, ganda ng drive ni Lauren. Sayang, bunker ako. Malakas yung against the wind. Hey, Lauren around 190. Okay lang, mataas lang. Okay lang, brother. Uy! Okay lang, before the car, ano. Rents, third shot. Hindi ko nakita. Nasa fringe daw si Renz, pero I don't know where to right or left. Okay, Lauren. Third shot to go up and down potentially for birdie. Around 100 yards to the flag. Ganda. Ah, kanan, liwa lang. Patong. Olympian. Okay, patong. For birdie. Okay. Unfortunately, bunker, 30 yards left to right. Ay, ang nipis. Olympian. To go up and down for bogey na yata ito, no? One. Ay. Sige pa. Ay, ang hina, Luigi! Behind. Ano ba yan? Look up. Nagmadali. Dapat pinat ko na lang. Bite. Olympian. Okay, so si Nikki is playing up and down for double bogey. Pating ano ka? Par? Pating par si Renz. Si Lauren is patting for birdie. Tama na. Settle. Good try, partner. Good try. Lakas. For 3 points yan, if ever. Dun sa may puno mo yun.
Grabe pagkano. Tama na, uy!
Dali ko lang dito, no? Okay, Renz for bogey. So he needs to miss this. If he misses this pala, tayo kami.
Wala.
7 on.
So tayo nag-tie. Double ka, bogey ako. So net bogey.
Net bogey kasi
So nag-tie
handicap
kayo.
holes, sir.
Pero parang kuha na namin. For par to eh. Kuha namin kay Lauren. For Olympics na lang yan. Nikki. Okay, this is for par ni Lauren. Good par, partner! Nice one! Panalo tayo, kuha natin. Okay, Nikki, for 3 points na lang to. Ganda ng speed. Good try, brother. Okay. Okay, hole number 16. We're currently 1 up. No movement sa Olympics. Tapos, it's 6-3. This is playing around 100 plus. Less than 110 yards. Ay, kaliwa lang.
Nice shot, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, Renz. Just left of the green. Unfortunately, si Lauren yata umu-over. Okay. Ganda! Galing ng tinang yan, Renz. Good shot, brother. That is for his par. Oh, yan. Oh, galing. Angat. Nay, ganda! Olympian. Okay, 3 points. 3 yan. 4 ako, 3. 2 dapat yung kay Nikki. 1 yung sa'yo. Tama na. Stop. Tapos make dapat si ano. Make dapat si ayun. Renz, must make to tie. Para mag-bogey kayo parehas. Si Nikki for par. To tie kami. Ooh. That's good, brother. Okay, so Nikki for they already won the hole. Back to all square. Tapos this is just for Olympics for 1 point. Good try, partner. Nice
one,
putt. Okay,
boy.
so 6-4. Nice putt, Nikki. So hole 17, 100. Dapat may plus sila dito. Safe mo lang. Tama na. Okay lang, partner.
For left.
Naku, brother, too big. Ay, sorry, safe. Bumalik. Members bounce. Buti na lang. Okay. Magmamagaling. The pin is in between these trees. Yan. Susubukan kong palusutin dyan. 42 yards. So, tirang mga 30. Left to right.
Ay, saan na sipa?
Tama na. May Olympian.
Ay, lumabas pa.
Ayun. Napalusot ko pero nag-kick dun sa buntok. Pa left. Para lumabas pa. Renz. To go up and down for bogey. Kanan wing, ano? Mabilis ba yan? Oh man! Okay, that is for bogey. So 4 points si... Sino 4 points sa inyo? 4 si Nikki, 3, tas 2 ka. 1 ako. Okay, Renz putting for bogey. Putting par ka, partner, no? Okay, putting par. Ikaw, double na to. Okay, Lauren putting for 2 points and for par. Sana nilipat mo na lang yung butas. Ganda. Baba. Okay. Good putt, good bogey. Okay. So I need to make this bogey putt. Okay, Renz for double bogey. Oh, kuha pa natin. Nakuha ko pa yung high. Pero wala na to, for bogey to eh. So pag na-shoot niya, hindi, isa lang. Hindi, nakuha natin eh. Nakuha natin to. Pag nagbinti siya, kuha natin. Oh, mintis. Nakuha pa natin. Ay, shout out mga aming opponents, si Nikki.
Hello, shout out guys.
Who else? Follow daw Luigi. Ayan, si Lauren. Ayan, si Renz.
Follow Luigi.
Mauuna itong mapopost ni Lauren eh. Ay, sa Renz eh. Sa ano natin. Okay, hole 18. Last hole of the first 9 namin. So, hole number 18. Force layup. Muntik ko pa ma-break 80 sana. Okay, course management lang, 700. Second shot. They get a pop here. Longest spot din. Okay, Lauren. Inside 120 yards to go up and down for his par. Oh, bunker. Naku, hirap. Niwala kayo, Wing. Komedyante talaga yung babaeng yan. Naku, patay tayo. Nice shot, Renz! Oh, 65 yards. Need to hit this close.
Ang baba pa rin. Ganyan din ako kahapon. Ngayong linggo.
Olympian!
A very difficult lie. Right on the lip. Si Lauren. So mga 20 yards. 15 yards to the flag. Very difficult shot. Super extreme difficult. Wala, mahirap talaga eh. Okay na yan. Mahirap talaga yan.
Oh, plus 2 ka, tinapakan mo yung linya ko.
Hindi ko alam kung ilan to.
Last one, X. Ganda yan.
Bike. Chance.
Okay, Nikki is 6 on putting, triple bogey. 3, 4, 5. Ganda! Beautiful! Good shot! So, 4 yata to. 4, 3, 2, tas in for 1 na ako eh. Uy, sayang. Double par. That's good. That's good. Ay, kuha na nila. 4 points na lang yan, 2 points. Kuha nyo. Hole number 1. 471.
Shot.
Laki.
Oh my God.
Sige, go ahead. Bindan ako, brother. Ikaw naman yung bida na itong content na to eh.
Four! Four!
Kunin ko na yung muli ko.
Go.
Okay. Course management lang. The middle would be before those trees is 170. Okay, third shot. Left with 120 yards. Downwind. Hitting a 50-degree wedge. Okay, might be either before the green or on the green. 5, playing 5. To go up and down for bogey. Bunker. Ayun, lumabas. Okay, Lauren.
Nasa other hole.
Ah, yun sayang, pumatong. Okay, so si playing bogey na yata si Renz dito. Olympian! Okay, come on Luigi. Chipinski for birdie to go up and down for par.
Ay!
Sa dulo!
Okay, Renz, potentially for 6 points. Ah, 5 lang pala, 5. Potentially for 5 points. 3. Mahina. Olympian! Olympian! Potentially 2 yan. For double ka na, si Nikki for up and down for bogey to si Nikki yata. So same lang kay ni Nikki. Okay, to si Lauren. To go up and down for bogey. I think same sila ni Nikki. Nikki still outside. Uy! Balik, balik, balik! It's okay, brother. Enteng? Vicente ba siya? Malakas. Okay, Renz for double bogey. Si Nikki also for double. Ako for par. Si Lauren for... Nice spot. 2 points? Okay, Lauren. Potentially for 5 points. To go up and down for triple. Bite.
Bye. Ay, ganda.
Tama na.
Masalay sa amin yan.
Oh, 4 points to. 4, nag 3 points na si Nikki. Tapos 2. 2 si pasok na pala yung kay Renz. So 1 point na lang ako. Okay pala to. So 8. Pag na-shoot mo, tie lang kayo ni Nikki. Pag nag-tie kayo, kuha pa natin yung butas. Pero kung hindi mo na-shoot, 2 pot naman ako to win. Shoot mo na. 4 points mo, baby. Ay! Okay, kuha nila yung high. Kuha natin yung low. Half lang natin yung hole. Oo.
Uy, what happened?
Tabig? Or bumawara silly putt. Di ko pa na-shoot yun for 1 point. Pero at least we were able to win low. They won high. Handicap 1, they get a pop here. 447 yards. Ay, ganda na sipa. Members bounce. Bumalik.
Palayo ka.
Perfect.
Nice shot.
Draw din.
Tumama ka. Balik din.
Nangangaliwa in real life.
Bumalik din.
Sobrang nice. Nice aiming. Perfect.
Grabe yung
Lahat ng polo dinaan. Gitnang gitna. Five shot, brother. Okay, Doran, course management. Punching out ng for his second shot. Okay.
Yung bumalik sir, gitna.
Nikki, second shot. Potentially for birdie to. Kung mapapatong. Mga 180 yards. 170 yards to the flag. Ganda. Bunker. Go. Okay. Left with 140 yards with the wind hitting pitching wedge.
Nice shot.
Butil lang, tumama naman ayos. Okay, I have that putt for par. Okay. Si Renz to go up and down also for par. Around 135 yards to the flag. Patong yan. Huwag ka lang magandang sipa. Ayun, patong. Olympian. Lumabas. Lumabas sa kanan. Okay, Lauren. To go up and down for bogey. Malakas. Bite. 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 Good shot, partner. Okay, Nikki. To go up and down for par.
Bite.
Ano ko bunker ulit?
Nice.
Good shot, Renz. Okay, so far, 4 points ka, brother. Ako 3. 2 si Renz. Nikki. To go up and down for double bogey. Yan, 4 points yan. Uy, nagbite. 4. Ay, tama ba? Siya 4 ano? 3 si Lauren. 2 ako. 1 ka. Okay, Lauren. 4 bogey. And 3 points. Bilis na yan, oh. Oo, tama na. Good read, brother. Makeable na yan. Okay, Nikki for double bogey. I need to make this para kasi may plus sila. Tapos si Renz is putting for bogey as well. Pero they get a pop. May plus si Renz. Okay, Renz for 1 point. So if he makes this bogey net bar, they win low. Tapos pag na-shoot mo, panalo naman tayo sa high. Nice spot, 1 point. So must make ka, Nikki. Tapos gusto mo mag-miss si Lauren para panalo kayo. Ay! So okay lang, half hole. Ay teka, ano ka dyan? Triple? Ah, 8. Okay na. 3 pa to lose pa kami dyan. Oo, panalo na. So,
Ano na naman? Low blood. Low blood yata.
oh, din ako may low. Nakuha namin yung high. Oh, tama, all square. Oo. Okay, hole number 3. Playing 180 yards.
Nice shot. Oh,
Subabit lang.
Dahon lang yan. Shot. Wala.
Umabot pa rin ah. Lakas. May kahulin 160,000 yan. Ganda rin. Kaliwa lang. Ganda.
Nice shot.
Come on, baby.
Huli
Kick
mo
left.
kick left.
Kick left. Ay, correct nangyari. Tama na.
Bite.
Sayang. Good shot, brother. Try. Okay, so my tee shot went left. Hindi namin napindot.
Boss, may isang bola pa, boss.
For par and for 4 points. Reach. Reach! Good putt, brother. Okay, Nikki for 3 points. And for par. They get a pop here. Ay na. Okay na, brother. Good bogey. Okay, Renz. For par net birdie. Okay, I have this putt to half. For bogey net par. Ang okay, they get a pop here. Yards dog leg. Right. Balik mo. Oh, yun, safe daw, safe daw.
Lumusot, bro.
Okay, Renz for his second shot. Good out, brother. Good course management. Si Nikki nasa bunker. Si Lori nasa right. Okay, left with 100 yards to the flag. Hitting a full 60.
Ganda yata yun.
Tama na.
Sober pa rin.
Okay, Ren's third shot. To go up and down for par. Inside 100. Ganda yan, Renz. Kumaliwa lang. Good shot. Okay na yan. Okay, on the green. Lauren, third shot as well. Around 70 yards. Go! Huwag kang sasabit. Huwag kang sasabit. Ayun. Okay, Nikki. To go up and down for, I think for par? Tama ba? Okay. Nikki is spotting for par. This is to go up and down for bogey. Pwede na yan. Baba. Tama na. It's okay, brother. Okay, so for Olympics, Lauren putting for bogey and 4 points. Ako birdie and 3. Si Nikki par and 2. Si Renz par and 1. Ganda. Maganda. Pasok! Yeah! 4 points! Nice spot, brother. Sakto. Oh, naka 4 points. So ano na kami? 12. Nice spot, partner. Ang ganda ng speed. Bogey.
Lakas din yata.
Bale.
Give it a chance.
For par. And 2 points. Hina yan. Renz for 1 point. He needs to make this to force me to make mine. Mahina din. Okay, Nikki for bogey to tie. May plus pala sila dito. Yun, kuha. Nice spot, good bogey.
Salamat.
Okay, Renz for bogey. If he makes this, must make ako. Okay, so they get a pop there. So si Nikki made bogey, net par. So bogey, they won low. Pero double. So half lang. Kasi si Nikki net par. So nag-bogey ako. Kuha niya. Pero double ka, bogey si Lauren.
Oo nga, tama.
Buti na, clutch si Lauren. Okay, buti na lang. So hole number 5, playing 120 siguro to. Ay, cast lang. It's okay, partner.
For left! Take!
Okay, Lauren, second shot. Around 50 yards. Maganda yata yan. Bite! 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 Olympian. Just outside. Okay, Renz. To go up and down. Grabe init. For par. Kaliwa lang.
Magandang pangit.
Okay, that is for his par.
Ang hina, Luigi! 20 nga eh!
But so long short. Good out. So that's for double bogey. This is for bogey and 3 points. 2 points ka, Renz. Pala. Mahina rin. Okay, Renz for par. This is to force me to make mine. May plus?
17.
Bogey. Okay. So I can make, if I can make this, panalo na kami low. pala sa kaliwa. Parang
1 point.
1 point.
Yes.
Okay. Lauren, this is to half the hole. Nice spot, brother. Okay, hole number 6. 343. Tapos, it's 12-8.
Mama ka sa puno, balik sa fairway.
Grabe yung tunog mo, no?
Four! Right!
Oh my God.
Four!
Okay, left with 120 yards slightly against the fan to go up and down for potentially birdie.
Right.
Landed in the fairway sa right side. Okay, third shot of Lauren. Around 50 yards to go up and down for potentially par. Go, ganda yan. Ay, mahina. Mahina pala. Good shot, partner. Okay na rin yan. For putting Olympics, I'm putting for birdie and 4 points. Si Renz is bogey and 3. Lauren, putting par ka, no? Par and 2 points. Par din yata si Nikki.
Oh?
Kanan.
Tayo na.
Mabot. Kasok mo, baby!
Carla.
Lakas pa. I need to make this spot to win. Double siya, bogey ka. For bogey to, for par ako. Tas handicap hole ba, Teng?
Yes, po.
Anong handicap to?
6.
6. Okay, handicap 5.
Marunong.
Ang lakas din. Okay. Hole number 7, 327 yards. Sumabit. Ayun!
Members bound. Yay! Fairway! Perfect! Uy,
Oh,
ganda!
nice.
Perfect draw! Four! Itong sakto yung pag-draw. Okay lang, Mark pa. Okay lang.
Sumabit lang.
Ganda, fairway pa din. Kanan.
Okay, second shot, 140. To the flag, hitting a pitching wedge. Feeling ko short to, pero play short naman to.
Hinangin din. Bakarote.
Nikki, second shot. Left with around 110 siguro to the flag. Pareha sila ni Renz incident. Huwag ka na mag-bunker. Bunker si Renz. Malas talaga kami ni Wena. Malas talaga. Nakalubog pa yung bola.
Ligo kaya ako.
Paamoy nga. Paamoy mo kay Mary.
Yun nga yung masama, naligo siya eh.
Kaya nga, hindi sanay. Hindi naman umulan kasi. Okay. Left to right. Mabilis. Bahala na si Batman.
Lakas chamba.
Okay. Potentially sandy par. Lakas tulog na lang. Sinong lalim. Lalim ng
Hukay, sir ah.
Ganda rin.
Pinigilan mo eh. Natakot ka na. Nag-commit ka, tapos natakot ka nung pa-impact na.
Olympian. Okay. Okay na yan, brother. Olympics na lang habulin natin dyan. Okay, so si Lauren has this putt for potentially 5 points. Tapos, either 4 or 3 na lang naman si Renz. Ako 1. Unless Renz hits it side me. Na-shoot. 5 points. Na 5 points! Yeah! Woo! 5 points, 17! Sabi ko na nice one, partner! Sabi ko na okay, 5 points, 17. 8. 17, 8. Ang layo. Nice one, partner. Okay. Pating ano na kayo dito, Teng? Pating double. Oo nga, ang galing-galing niya. Okay, may 20 ka. What a 5-point putt by si Lauren ang pumapera sa inyo eh. 4.9 points sa kanya lang, 5 at saka 4. Kung par pa nga yun, Sandy par pa. Nice one, partner. Good one. Nice putt. Okay. Okay, hold 8. Playing 160 against the wind. Or hindi pwedeng 8. Ba, nagalit? Nilangin eh. Before the bunker? Three line. Wow. Okay, Renz is outside. Left side sila parehas. Well, kaming lahat. Ako unfortunately bunker. Right. Good shot! That's for his par. Sala 5 points na naman kayo kay Lauren. And for par. Yari na naman kayo. 5 points na naman! Woohoo! 5 points and par! Tatlo yun! Nice one, partner! Ilan na yun?
Ay, salamat.
Yun din, 3 points din.
Wala nga, kanan dumali.
Hina. So tie kami. Okay, what a clutch putt, si Lauren. Last hole. Ayan na, pinipirahan na kayo. 36 holes na, brother. Okay, right before.
Balik.
Okay lang yan, safe yan tayo.
Nasaan? Good out, brother.
Huwag ka sumabit. Go!
Oh, yun.
Uy, salamat.
Sakto na yung tigas ng fairway. Okay, Nikki. For his second, hindi, third shot na pala to. Third shot. Okay, kanan din. Okay, Lauren, second shot. Yung drive niya, muntik na pumunta sa tubig. Lakas. Gitnang gitna. Bang! Draw! Ay, fade! Fade! Cut! Okay lang yan. Kick right yan. Diba? Sabi sa'yo, kick right yan eh. Nice one, brother. Nice one, nice one. Okay, left with 162 yards to the flag. Hitting an 8 iron to go up and down for birdie.
Nice shot, sir.
Okay, Lauren. Second shot, third shot. To go up and down for birdie. Ay. Four right. Eljan! Okay, Lauren nasa right side of the... Patong kayo, Mary, no? Kayo ito yung patting? Okay, tapos si Lauren nasa right. Bunker pala si Nikki. Okay, tapos ako went a little over. Hindi pala little, went over. Ay, nabola. 4!
Wala siya, parang
Okay na to? 1 point? Lakas. O yan, 2 points yan. So 4, 3, 2, 1 ako. Pasok na ako for 1. May plus kasi kayo. So, nag-pick up na si Nikki, pero for 2 points na lang to. This is for 3 points and bogey. Hindi kasi
Okay ha, kabahan na yung dapat kabahan ha.
ayan na naman! Ay, tumalon. Naku, ayaw talagang 2 points. Okay na yan. Okay, Renz. Ang mangyayari dyan, brother, okay na rin yung sayo. Ay, kung unless practicein mo, sayang yung green fee mo eh. So, Renz, if ever, if you make this all square, if you miss, 6 up.
20 mil na naman.
Oo. Kuha. Okay. Walang 20 mil.
Yes, wala 20 mil. Ay, salamat.
Nikki, nice meeting you, brother. Nice playing with you. Brother,
As always.
nice playing with you. Nice spot. Brother, nice meeting you. Hope you enjoyed. O, pinirahan natin itong mga to. Okay. Picture tayo. Nice shot.